Happy holidays. Today we're making some Jamaican sorrel with pineapple skin and ginger. As usual, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't. If you have, keep sharing, liking, and comment. Now we're going to start off with a pot of boiling water. We're going to add our sorrel to it. Other countries, they call it hibiscus. Jamaicans, we call it sorrel. Add some allspice berries or pimento berries to it. Add your pineapple skin. Pineapple skin I'm using is from a previous video that I did with the natural juice. I saved the pineapple skin for this particular video. I'm going to add some grated ginger. I like to shred my ginger or grate it. To me, it extracts more flavor that way instead of just chopping it up into big chunks and put it in there. So once everything's added to the pot, we're going to cover. Bring your pot to a boil, to a roaring boil, to a bubble. Cover, cut your heat, turn the stove off. Just let that stay and steep. Set aside for a few hours, let it steep. Extract all those flavor from the sorrel and the ginger. Once that's done, you're gonna strain your sorrel into a container. Now you can add water back to that sorrel that's in the pot. Do a second batch. It won't be as strong as the first batch, but you can mix it with the first batch. Or I've seen people just add water and blend the pineapple skin with the sorrel in there and just add it to the first batch. Now once that's done, add your sugar to sweeten your sorrel. Stir until all the sugar is dissolved. You pour that in a jug to put under refrigeration, or get a tall glass with some ice. Pour your sorrel over it and enjoy. For the adult version, you can add some spirit to it. Whichever alcohol of your choice, preferably rum. There you go, guys. Enjoy. Sorrel, pineapple skin, and ginger.